In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog with Weebly. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to upgrade your digital presence, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process of setting up your blog in no time. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to the Weebly website by typing in weebly.com. Once you're there, you should see an option to log in. Go ahead and click on that. If you already have an account, great. If not, you'll need to sign up and create one. Next, you'll be prompted to log in with your email and password. Enter your credentials here and click on the login button to get started. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. You'll notice a section labeled website. Click on this to proceed. This leads you to a page where you can select the specific website you'd like to work on. Go ahead and click on the edit button next to the website you want to develop. Now you're in the Weebly editor, which is where all the magic happens. Look for the menu to your left and select Pages. This is going to allow you to manage and create different types of pages, including your blog page. Once in the Pages menu, look for an option labeled Blog Page and click on it. After selecting your blog page, be sure to click Done to save your selection. Navigate now to the blog section in the editor area. Here you'll find an option labeled Blog. Click on it and then you'll see a button for New Post. Click this button to start writing your fresh content. A blank post will appear awaiting your creativity. It's time to add a title. When you see the title box, click inside it and type the headline for your post. Once you've set your title, look for the text element in the toolbar. Click and drag it into the post area so you can start writing your main content. Write as much or as little as you want, making sure your post is informative and engaging. If you want to add images or videos to your post, simply drag and drop the elements into your editor where you see fit. Once added, select the image or video box and click Upload Image to choose and add files from your device. Additionally, you can organize your post by adding categories by clicking and adding them as needed. Don't forget to decide on comment settings by enabling or disabling comments according to your preference. When your post is complete and you're satisfied with how it looks, hit Save to make sure all your hard work is kept safe. Lastly, it's time to publish your blog and make it live on the web. Click Publish and then you're all set. Congratulations on creating your blog with Weebly. Happy blogging!